How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends, we came to Jumber's Town and explored it and evolved our Meowth Persian, our Chiru, and off screen I granted. And let's talk to this one. That's his seal. Drasil, good luck, trainer. Okay. Let me go up. Look like this is the correct way. Okay, you can't go this way. I should have known that, but whatever. A trainer. Okay. A Pidgeotto, Bubble Beam. Sorry, Aura Beam. Should have gone for that. Also, I got rid of Quick Attack. I'm speeding up through these battles. I want to show these battles, but I don't want to show this again at the same time. Okay, let's go. Okay, trainer, another. I'm not gonna show off these battles even with speed up. I wish they made a shortcut in John GBA to get access speed. Oh, this Pokemon is too strong. My final Pokemon, go Charmeleon. Now use Dragon Rage. Charmeleon, return. Hey Electro, did you come here to challenge that wild Pokemon? Yeah, I can see that it's powerful. Mo, you are telling me that Pokemon just beat the snot out of us. I think that I should battle you for just to make sure. Hope you're ready. That's a very bad time, Mo. But whatever. For once we are kinda over leveled. This is why you lost, Mo. You are a prick and use a shift mode. No, you are not going to set. You use set mode, but you use items in battle, and no. That's why you always lose, Mo. Take that. Dragon Rage. I'm going to defeat you with. Okay. I thought to finish him in my style, but looks like the damage roll. We can't KO it with that Aurora Beam anyway. So we just ensure the KO. Ghastly, we have bite. You suck. Mo, you suck. Good luck. Looks like you have Pokemon chance even if you had beaten my Pokemon well there. I'm rooting for you. Hey you. I'm not even healed up. Level 30? God. That's why I hate these games. Level cap, man. Water effing pulse. I think we're gonna lose this. So let's go for another bite. Pray for some flinches. Flinch. At least half. Yes. Don't confuse me. Yes. Let's go for another. The reason why I'm not using water pulse, even though it has a confusion chance, it's only I think 10 or 20%. But Bubble Beam is much stronger than that. It's 5 base power more. So yeah. So hidden power ghost, I think. No, hidden power ice. I forgot. At least we can get some money. Chiru got. Whoa, Electro, battling skills are impressive. Thanks, Mo. At least you can't say I've been neglecting my training. You really haven't. Well, I've been singing up here. I've got to go to get my next badge. Okay, you yuffing donkey. You yuffing donkey. Can we go now? Thank you, trainer. So I'm gonna heal up and I'll see you when I heal up. Okay, guys, let's yuffing go this way. And Jumburst Cave, we know this. Oh, it's very easy. Let's talk to this one. What is this town again? Jumburst Cave. Jumburst Town, upper portion. Nice. Nice. Route 3, yes. Okay, Route 3. Seems like a pretty easy effing route. Nope. If there are no trainers, the route is much better in this town. You wanna follow that logic. If you want to beat this game, the routes. Okay, trainer. Dude, are you effing hacking? Let's go for bite. Get it? Sandslash looks way funny. What? Trainer. I'm gonna show off the Sandslash sprite. Enjoy this. Enjoy this. I think Hero Valsi, when he played through this part of the game, he's like way more over leveled. He's like 40 or so levels. You are not a trainer? Okay. Mineral Town. No. Hero Valsi is not that level. The routes are very similar in this game. So this is going to be big town. So I'm going to search for a Pokemon Center with you guys because it's a lot of fun and I'm going to heal up. Okay, so I healed up and I'm going to search for an free stuff because they are the best stuff. And yeah, I have a doubt. Why is there a mart when you can have yuffing big malls? 1 lakh. Okay. We got HM 6. I think it's Rock Smash. Right? Yeah. Mineral Town Gym Leader Granite, the Solid Rock Master. I think this is going to be a fighting and rock type gym. So yeah. Because I'm saying this because in this game there are technically 16 gyms because there are only 8 gyms but they are dual types. And just look at this. I heard that the 8th area leader is unbeatable. Okay. We need a badge. Okay, we need some badges. So there's not much else in this town. So yeah. How far we can go into Route 2? I sold like every stuff. We can skip this town. Apollo Harbor. Yes, we cannot go. Yes, I think we can't. Whoa, we can. Route 4. Okay. I'm Captain Morgan. Oh. Okay. We need some stamps to progress. So yeah. So I think this is a good place to end this episode. So yeah. I'm not gonna do any grinding for the gym. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end this episode right here and start the next episode right after. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Let's play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Peace.